Hello, everybody. So, whether you're a singer or a voice actor, a lot of times it can feel like somebody just took a buzzsaw straight to your throat. Being a singer all 4 years of college and now being an amateur voice actor, these are some of the futile techniques that I've used to try to salvage my throat a little bit. Some milk, almond or soy milk, if you might be a teeny bit lactose intolerant. Not saying that I am. I am. And then just a smidge of honey. I don't know how much a smidge is, but get a spoon, mix it all around. Ah, delicious. The milk and the honey help soothe and also coat your throat. Another thing you can also do is throw some tea on the kettle, heat it up. See, I have this much tea because it actually works. Take some tea, black tea, and honey. That will also help soothe and coat your throat. Ice cream! This might be my personal favorite. Fresh thing of ice cream. And this is perfect for if you've just recently injured your throat. An injury to the throat is exactly like an injury to anything else in your body. It will become inflamed, and the cold will help stop the inflammation, and also the cream and the syrup will help coat your throat. That is good. I just thought about it for a second, and to be completely honest, I would probably use ice cream for 12 to 24 hours after, your initial strain of your voice, and then after that, I would just use warm tea with honey. Make sure that tea's not too hot though, because you'll just do further damage to your throat. Next thing is a scarf. Especially in the cold weather, this isn't as much for recovering your throat, but it goes a long way to preserving your throat and your voice. Just put a scarf on, To be completely honest, this is not my scarf. It's the middle of the summertime, and I live in North Carolina. I don't have a scarf. But I did go to school in Pennsylvania, so up there I would wear scarves during the wintertime all the time, because I'd be walking to class in sometimes negative Fahrenheit degree weather, so I needed a scarf up there. One helpful hint for sure, and this goes for pedestrians, and this also goes for athletes training. I know an athlete's not going to wear a scarf, but an athlete can wear either a mask or a turtleneck and just bring it up. Just bring it up across your nose and your mouth. That will cause the air that you inhale to be warmer than it would otherwise, because inhaling that cold air really does a lot of damage to your throat. Oh god, I gotta take this off. It is burning. It's like 95 degrees outside, and this is a cold day. As I'm sipping on this, one more thing I'd like to mention is if you have a cough, especially if you have a dry cough, just keep sipping on something all day, because one, it'll make your dry cough a wet, more productive cough, which will in turn be a little less bad for your throat. And two, if you're sipping on something, it makes you less likely to cough as much. Exactly the same strategy as, just sucking on a piece of candy or even a cough drop. A cough drop has a few extra benefits to help coat your throat. Cough drops are another great thing. Or just drink. All right, everybody. We are in the bathroom, so sorry in advance for the horrible lighting, sound quality, and camera stabilization. But, this is another crucial thing to when you have a sore throat, how to recover it, or when you've been abusing your voice, how to recover it. So just take a hot shower. And not only that, steam up the bathroom a little bit. Turn that water on and put it all the way to hot until you steam up this bathroom like it's your job. Wow. It has legitimately been less than a minute and this happened. So let's turn off this water. This is exactly the same thing that a humidifier does. It just helps soothe your throat. So yeah, take hot showers. One helpful hint, if it's not your house, like if you're at school or something and you don't pay for water and you also don't pay for mold damage, then sure, steam up the whole bathroom like I just did. But if you do have to pay for water and you care about the structural integrity of your bathroom, one helpful hint is just simply turn on the vent and also close the shower curtain. Yes, I do have the periodic table as my shower curtain. Don't worry about that. But because that makes One, it makes the outside air stay relatively dry, and two, it makes a smaller space that you're trying to steam up so it uses less water. So that saves water and also saves structural integrity. I don't know why I can't say that, of your bathroom. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. And while I'm here, I just do want to give a very quick message, and that's a very legit thank you for anybody who has watched this video or has watched any of my videos. I really, really, really do appreciate it. I just make videos about things that I enjoy and I'm passionate about. So anybody else that shares in those passions with me, I think that's awesome, to be completely honest. So thank you for anybody who's watched, and to try to show my thanks, I'm gonna start pumping out videos that I think people will either find helpful or entertaining or enjoyable, or I'm just gonna try to pump out some videos that, will be good. Something I should say in each and every one of my videos is thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thanks, everybody.